Hey everyone, you're welcome to the channel. Today we are learning how to make a skirt waistband. So sit back, relax, and learn. So for those who don't know, this is called the interface. It's used to make the fabric stronger. So if you're looking to sew something like a waistband, or you can also use it for, anything you want to make actually that you need to make firmer, you use this interface. I got this from Amazon, and I'm sure you can get it from your local stores or anywhere they sell tailoring materials. Just ask them for interface, and I'm sure they will have it. So let's get into it. As you can see, I've already cut out my fabric, so I'm placing it now on the interface. So just watch, and I probably won't be talking for the whole of the video, but I just decided to give this little brief, and I hope you enjoy this video.